Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable.
So, like, what did you do?
Everything.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers, so that is what Prince Marni's girlfriend or ex-girlfriend Inhaleme is saying right now. She's saying that Prince Marni has done everything, like him say a while ago, in him powers for cheat on her, and she just had enough of it and she can't pretend anymore. So me go jump in at the article and make you know what go on. But before me do that, me go encourage you know feel like, share and comment upon the video, and make sure you say you hit the subscribe button. So watch now, it says comedian Prince Marni and spouse has split. Jamaican comedian and YouTube star Prince Marni and his dancer fiance Inhaleme have called it quits on their relationship. The news came as a shock to their large social media following, as their interaction online had not changed in recent times. Inhaleme, whose real birth name is Denisha Burton, made the revelation that the two were no longer a couple via her Instagram page on Tuesday night. In the post, the dancer revealed that Prince Marni, born Anthony Grant, had cheated on her several times during the relationship, and she said she had finally come to the point where she was strong enough to walk away from the union. She wrote, "I'm no longer engaged, so don't ask me about a ring. I am done pretending. Everything was a lie. You confessed to everything, and even after that, I thought it would work," a part of the post read. "I stuck to a toxic, effed up person who sucked out all my drive and confidence, knowing who he was, but still loved him. Kept all his secrets. I am done," she continued, pointing out that it was hard for her to come out and make revelations about her personal relationship. The dancer refused to take the post down, stating that as a public figure, she believed it was only fair for her fans to know what is really going on. She wrote, "I am human. I will not fake nothing. I am a realist. This is my personal life. But at the same time, I am a public figure, not a fake figure," she said, vowing to come back stronger now that all her cards are on the table. She wrote, "Ladies, life isn't perfect. We all go through shit. Got it? I am sorry I have not been the D. All I wanna know, she's back in full effect." While Burton has been very vocal about the breakup, Prince Marni is yet to address the separation. Checks to his Instagram page showed no signs confirming or denying the split. We sought to get a comment from the comedian, but we were proven unsuccessful at our attempts. While the separation seems real this time, this isn't the first time the pair have gone their separate ways. The two broke up briefly in 2000 and a rumor surfaced that the comedian had cheated before. They seemed to have worked that out, but soon after announced their engagement back in March. Prince Marni and his fiance are not the only social media couple that have called it quits in this week, as popular comedian Trabas and his wife are reportedly separated. Diane Trabas's wife also took to social media to announce the split. She assured fans that the separation was amicable and that they are still good friends. So viewers, subscribers, I mean, I know boy Prince Marni and Inhaleme have some huge fans out there, have a huge following. So I don't know how this is going to affect them relationship, or how it going to affect them business wise. But make we watch and see what go on. And if it's a publicity stunt, make we sit to know. Jano, like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the comment section, talk to me, make me know what I want to think. I'm out. It's unstoppable, and no matter what, don't make nobody stop you.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.